Class 5 Computer Chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. Topic Generations of Computers. Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing your homework regularly and revising it well. So, the topic for today is the generation of computers. We found that the needs of the humans and changing technology helped in the evolution or growth of the computers. We will understand this better through the study of the developments through generations of computers. The evolution of computers has been divided into 5 generations. Let's learn about the first generation of computers. First generation computers cover the time frame from 1940 to 1956. These computers were slow, expensive, enormous or huge and used large amount of power or energy. UNIVAC, ENIAC and EDVAC are first generation computers. This first generation computer used vacuum tubes, used magnetic tapes to store data, relied on machine language to perform any operation, and solved it one at a time. Input was based on punched cards and paper tapes. Output was displayed on printouts. Now, let's learn about the second generation computers. The second generation computers cover the time period of 1956 to 1963. These computers were faster, cheaper, smaller, and efficient than the first generation computers. IBM 1400, IBM 350 are some second generation computers. Vacuum tubes of first generation were replaced by transistors. Second generation computers moved from machine language to assembly language. This allowed the programmers to specify instructions in words. Fortran, COBOL, BASIC are some languages that came into use. Here, let me share some facts about Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace, who was an English mathematician and a writer. She is considered as the first programmer because she suggested binary data storage, that is 0 and 1, instead of the decimal system. In the second generation computers, punched cards and paper tapes were used as input devices and output came on printouts. So that's all for today's class. We will continue this topic with other 3 generations in the next class. You will receive a PDF file for today's homework. Please do the same in your copies and revise it well. Thank you.